Hi, my name is Malik.
And my name is Anas, and we're here to do a toy review.
Introduction of us.
Hi, my name is Anas, and this is my friend called Malik.
Today I will show you the best toy flashlight spinner. Play with the toy by spinning it so hard. When you spin it so hard, it will be so smart.
Today I'm gonna show you how to play with the coolest toy flashlight spinner. It's gonna flash so bright and it's so cool.
I will tell you the age of this toy.
This toy is for 4 to 9 age years old. And I like the best about the toy was that it was so sparkly and
It was so good. Thank you for watching, and if you don't forget to subscribe, and goodbye.
thank you for watching. Bye.